guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another new video. So in this video we're going to learn how to create brand level AI ads. Alright, we're gonna use Google Gemini for this. Okay, steps are pretty simple, so you guys can follow along, and the Notion link will be in the description. Alright, so let's get started. So first I'm gonna go to my Google Gemini and I'm gonna create an image also. But before that, I have my image already. Okay, so I have attached my product already. You guys can generate your fake brand using Google Gemini. Tell Google Gemini to give you some image prompts, and then I will go back to my Notion and I will copy this image prompt here given. Okay, copy, paste and submit. Alright, so we have our image here now. As you can see, our product is in the center and in the middle of the street. Alright, so that's how we want. So we are gonna download this. Okay, and then we are gonna go to our Pickverse, attach the picture generated from Google Gemini, and then copy this video prompt given. Okay, so we have our result now. Let's see. Okay, there you go. We have our result. If you're okay with this result, then you can click download, and if you are not satisfied, then you can retry, but I'm fine with the result and I have clicked download. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you guys get the idea how to create a brand level AI ads. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and if you're watching until the very end, please don't forget to comment I have watched till the very end, or drop a yellow heart or yellow star and support the channel. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.